Penguin. Penguins waddle clumsily on ice but swim like rockets in the sea. They huddle together for warmth in freezing winds. Their tuxedo-like feathers make them look both elegant and playful. Pufferfish. Pufferfish puff up into spiky balls when threatened. Normally slow and harmless, they surprise predators with this defense. Their round eyes and tiny fins give them a comical charm. Crocodile. Crocodiles wait silently at river edges, then strike with explosive power. Their armored skin and crushing jaws make them fearsome hunters. Survivors from the dinosaur age, they are living fossils. Octopus. Octopuses slip into rocky cracks and vanish in a puff of ink. Masters of disguise, they change color and shape in an instant. With curious minds and 8 flexible arms, they explore like thinkers of the sea. Seal. Seals flop awkwardly on land but glide gracefully underwater. They dive deep to chase fish, barking calls echoing on the coast. Resting in groups, they fill shores with playful energy. Squid. Squids jet through the ocean with bursts of water. Long tentacles snap out to seize prey in the dark. To escape danger, they release black clouds of ink and shimmer with colors. Tuna. Tuna race across the ocean like silver torpedoes. Their speed makes them powerful hunters of fish and squid. Sleek and strong, they travel vast distances in the open sea. Panda. Pandas munch peacefully on bamboo in misty forests. Their black and white fur makes them one of the most beloved animals on Earth. Gentle and shy, they spend much of their time eating and resting. Frog. Frogs leap from lily pads with powerful legs. Their croaks echo through ponds on summer nights. Living both on land and in water, they are symbols of transformation. Clownfish. Clownfish dart among sea anemones, safe from stings that harm other fish. Their bright orange stripes make coral reefs lively. They share homes and food in pairs or small groups. Stingray. Stingrays glide across sandy seafloors like living carpets. They bury themselves to surprise prey. Graceful yet armed with a sharp tail, they inspire both wonder and caution. Seahorse. Seahorses float upright, tails curled around seagrass. Tiny and delicate, they drift like magical ornaments. Males carry babies in pouches until they are born. Eel. Eels slither like snakes through rocks and reefs. They dart out from hiding to grab prey with sharp jaws. Secretive and sleek, they vanish quickly into shadows. Blue tang. Blue tangs flash bright blue as they graze on algae. They help keep coral reefs clean and healthy. Fast and playful, they dart in schools across tropical waters. Starfish. Starfish cling tightly to rocks with tiny tube feet. They regrow arms if injured, a rare survival gift. Feeding by pushing out their stomachs, they are unusual ocean dwellers. Sea turtle. Sea turtles glide calmly through vast seas with strong flippers. They return to sandy shores to lay eggs, repeating a timeless journey. Their hard shells shield them through decades of life. Killer whale. Killer whales hunt together in pods, working like skilled teams. With striking black and white bodies, they are rulers of the seas. They chase fish, seals, and even whales larger than themselves. Crab. Crabs scuttle sideways across sand with sharp claws ready. They dig burrows or hide under rocks at low tide. Both fighters and cleaners, they are key to shore life. Shark. Sharks slice powerfully through the sea with sleek bodies. As apex predators, they keep ocean life balanced. Their sharp teeth and silent movement make them legendary hunters. Welcome to Kids Learning Animal. Let's explore animals on land, in water, and little insects together. Ant. Small but strong, ants can carry objects many times their body weight and live in highly organized colonies. Honeybee. Honeybees produce honey and wax, and they play a vital role in pollinating flowers and crops. Wasp. Wasps are skilled hunters that control pest populations and have a painful sting used for defense. Butterfly. Butterflies are known for their colorful wings and play an important role in pollination. Dragonfly. Dragonflies are fast flyers with excellent vision, often seen near water where they eat mosquitoes. Ladybug. Ladybugs are bright red beetles with black spots, famous for eating plant pests like aphids. Grasshopper. Grasshoppers are powerful jumpers that make chirping sounds by rubbing their legs or wings. Beetle. Beetles have hard protective wing covers and come in many shapes, sizes, and colors worldwide. Mosquito. Mosquitoes are small flying insects known for feeding on blood and spreading diseases. Fly. Flies have compound eyes and are quick flyers, often feeding on decaying matter and waste. Praying mantis. Praying mantises are predators with strong front legs, famous for their praying stance. Cicada. Cicadas are insects with transparent wings, known for their loud buzzing sounds in summer. Stick insect. Stick insects have long, thin bodies that camouflage perfectly as twigs and branches. Ant. Ants march in long lines, carrying loads bigger than themselves. They live in large colonies with strict teamwork, building tunnels and storing food. Their strength and discipline make them tiny but powerful workers. Dragonfly. Dragonflies zip through the air with shiny wings. They can hover, dart, and even fly backward while hunting mosquitoes. With bright colors and sharp eyes, they are masters of the summer sky. Butterfly. Butterflies flutter gently from flower to flower, sipping nectar through a long straw-like tongue. Their wings show dazzling patterns that make gardens lively. Once a crawling caterpillar, they transform into graceful flyers. Honeybee. Honeybees buzz busily from flower to flower, carrying pollen on their tiny legs. In hives, they work together to make golden honey. Without bees, many plants and fruits would not survive. Ladybug. Ladybugs are bright red beetles with black spots. Farmers love them because they eat plant pests like aphids. Small and cute, they are often seen as symbols of luck. Spider. Spiders spin silken webs, waiting quietly for insects to fly in. With 8 legs and sharp fangs, they catch their prey with skill. Some are tiny while others weave huge, beautiful webs. Earthworm. Earthworms wriggle through soil, making it rich and fertile. By eating dirt and recycling nutrients, they help plants grow. Though simple in shape, they are essential for healthy farmland. Snail. Snails crawl slowly, carrying spiral shells on their backs. Their soft bodies glide on trails of slime. They love damp places, feeding on leaves and tiny plants. Lizard. Lizards bask in the sun on rocks or walls. With quick legs and sharp eyes, they dart after insects. Some can regrow lost tails, a clever survival trick. Beetle. Beetles come in many shapes and colors, with hard shells protecting their bodies. They live in forests, fields, and even homes. Some shine like jewels while others help clean nature by eating waste. Mosquito. Mosquitoes buzz around looking for a blood meal. Only the females bite while males feed on nectar. Though tiny, they can spread diseases, making them one of the most dangerous insects. Scorpion. Scorpions raise their claws and curve their stinger tails. At night, they hunt insects and small animals in deserts and rocky lands. Under UV light, their bodies even glow mysteriously. Fly. Flies zip through the air with quick wings. They are attracted to food and waste, carrying germs as they move around. Though pesky, they are part of nature's recycling system. Wasp. Wasps buzz with bright yellow and black bodies. Unlike bees, they can sting multiple times to defend themselves. They also help control pests by hunting other insects. Cricket. Crickets chirp at night by rubbing their wings together. Their sounds fill summer evenings in fields and gardens. Quick and jumpy, they are symbols of good luck in some cultures. Cat. Cats are agile and curious animals, known for their sharp claws, excellent balance, and ability to see well in low light. Dog. Dogs are loyal and friendly companions, with a strong sense of smell and hearing, often used for guarding, hunting, or guiding. Goat. Goats are hardy and curious animals, famous for climbing steep surfaces and eating a wide variety of plants. Cow. Cows are gentle farm animals, important for producing milk, meat, and leather, and they have a calm temperament. Buffalo. Buffalo are strong and powerful animals, often used for farming work and valued for their milk and meat. Horse. Horses are fast and strong animals, known for their speed, endurance, and close relationship with humans in travel and sports. Donkey. Donkeys are sturdy and patient animals, able to carry heavy loads and survive in tough environments. Sheep. Sheep are peaceful animals raised for wool, milk, and meat, and are easily recognized by their fluffy coats. Camel. Camels are desert animals, adapted to survive long without water, with humps that store fat for energy. Kitten. Kittens are young cats, playful and curious, loved for their small size, soft fur, and adorable behavior. Cock. Roosters are male chickens, known for their colorful feathers and loud crowing at dawn. Hen. Hens are female chickens, important for laying eggs and providing meat. Oxen are strong and hard-working animals, often used to pull carts and plow fields in farming. Ostrich. Ostriches are the largest birds, unable to fly but very fast runners, with long legs and big eyes. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals, known for their long trunks, intelligence, and strong memory.
Lobster. Strong claws and long antennae, known for living on the ocean floor. Sawfish. Unique long snout shaped like a saw used to hunt and defend. Chinstrap penguin. Small penguin with a black chinstrap line under its head. Sunfish. One of the heaviest bony fish, round flat body. Orca. Black and white apex predator, intelligent and social. Dolphin. Playful and intelligent, famous for leaping and echolocation. Sea lion. Agile swimmer with flippers, often barks loudly on rocks. Sea turtle. Ancient reptile with a hard shell, migrates long distances. Clownfish. Bright orange with white stripes, lives among sea anemones. Crab. Hard shell and strong pincers walk sideways on beaches. Flying fish. Can glide above the water using large wing-like fins. Stingray. Flat body with a long stinger tail, glides gracefully underwater. Sperm whale. Largest toothed predator, famous for deep dives and big head. Squid. Fast swimmer with long arms and ink defense. Marble ray. Ray with beautiful white spotted patterns, wide fins, and long tail.
Horse. Strong and fast, known for running gracefully across open fields. Dog. Loyal and friendly, often called man's best friend. Cat. Independent and curious, famous for agility and sharp senses. Goat. Hardy and playful, skilled at climbing steep rocky hills. Cow. Gentle and calm, provides milk and is a symbol of farm life. Sheep. Soft and woolly, valued for warm fleece and peaceful nature. Elephant. Large and wise with a long trunk and strong memory. Camel. Endures desert heat, stores fat in its humps for long journeys. Pig. Intelligent and social, known for adaptability and strong sense of smell. Rabbit. Fast and shy with long ears and a talent for quick digging. Yak. Sturdy and furry, thrives in cold high mountains. Rat. Small and clever, quick learners with great adaptability. Parrot. Brightly colored, famous for mimicking human speech. Ostrich. Largest bird, runs fast with long strong legs. Donkey. Hardworking and patient, known for carrying heavy loads.
Snake. Snakes can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey much larger than their heads. Earthworm. Earthworms breathe through their moist skin, not lungs. Snail. Snails have tiny teeth called radula to scrape food. Lizard. Many lizards can change skin color to blend with surroundings. Crocodile. Crocodiles can live over 70 years and are excellent swimmers. Alligator. Alligators can survive cold by keeping only their noses above ice. Caterpillar. Caterpillars eat almost constantly to store energy for metamorphosis. Centipede. Centipedes are fast hunters and can inject venom with their front legs. Millipede. Millipedes defend themselves by releasing foul-smelling chemicals. Scorpion. Scorpions glow under ultraviolet light due to chemicals in their exoskeleton. Crab. Crabs walk sideways because of the structure of their legs. Spider. Spiders inject digestive enzymes into prey to turn them into liquid food. Ant. Ants can carry objects many times heavier than their own body weight. Beetle. Beetles are the largest group of insects, with over 350,000 species. Gecko. Geckos can detach their tails to escape predators and later regrow them. Fish. Fish. Dolphin. Dolphin. Whale. Whale. Octopus. Octopus. Starfish. Starfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Shark. Shark. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Crab. Crab. Lobster. Lobster. Seahorse. Seahorse. Walrus. Walrus. Penguin. Penguin. Stingray. Stingray. Squid. Squid.
Snake. Snake. Lizard. Lizard. Crocodile. Crocodile. Tortoise. Tortoise. Snail. Snail. Earthworm. Earthworm. Millipede. Millipede. Centipede. Centipede. Gecko. Gecko. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Salamander. Salamander. Skink. Skink. Leech. Leech. Crab. Crab.
This is a snake.
Snakes have no legs, but they move by slithering. Some snakes are harmless while others can be very dangerous.
This is a lizard.
Lizards are reptiles with scaly skin and long tails. They have quick legs and like hiding under rocks or leaves.
This is a crocodile.
Crocodiles have huge jaws and live in rivers and swamps. They can swim fast and love to sunbathe on riverbanks.
This is a turtle.
Turtles have hard shells to protect them. They walk slowly on land and love resting in the sun.
This is a chameleon.
Chameleons are famous for changing colors. They also have long, sticky tongues to catch bugs.
This is a king cobra.
The king cobra is the longest venomous snake. It can raise its head high and make a hood when it feels scared.
This is a sea turtle.
Sea turtles have big flippers and strong shells. They swim fast in the ocean and live in warm, salty water.
This is a frog.
Frogs have smooth skin and strong legs for jumping. They live near water and make funny croaking sounds.
This is a snail.
Snails have soft bodies and carry their shells on their backs. They move very slowly and leave a slimy trail behind.
This is the millipede.
Millipedes have long, round bodies with lots of tiny legs. They crawl slowly and like to hide under leaves and rocks.
This is an earthworm.
Earthworms have soft, slimy bodies and no legs. They live in soil and help plants grow by digging tunnels underground.
This is a leech.
Leeches have soft, stretchy bodies and live in water or wet places. They crawl slowly and stick to other animals to drink their blood.
This is a slug.
Slugs are soft, slimy animals with no shell. They move slowly and like to come out when it's damp or rainy.
This is a termite.
Termites are tiny insects that live in large groups. They chew wood and build tunnels underground or in trees.
This is a crab.
Crabs have hard shells, big claws, and walk sideways. They live near the sea and hide under rocks or sand.
This is a grub.
Grubs are soft, white baby insects with no legs. They live underground and love to eat roots and plants.
This is a Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards in the world. They crawl slowly, have sharp claws, and live on hot islands.
This is a skink.
Skinks are shiny lizards with short legs and long tails. They love to dig and hide under leaves or logs.
This is a python.
Pythons are huge snakes with patterned skin. They slither quietly and hide in trees or grass.
This is a scorpion.
Scorpions have 8 legs, big pincers, and a stinger tail. They crawl and come out at night.
Sea turtle. Sea turtle. Dolphin. Dolphin. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Blue whale. Blue whale. Octopus. Octopus. Squid. Squid. Starfish. Starfish. Seahorse. Seahorse. Sea lion. Sea lion. Manatee. Manatee. Killer whale. Killer whale. Shark. Shark. Manta ray. Manta ray. Lobster. Lobster. Crab. Crab. Clownfish. Clownfish. Angelfish. Angelfish. Shrimp. Shrimp. Stingray. Stingray. Sea urchin. Sea urchin.
Ant. Ants live in big underground hills with lots of tunnels. Bee. Bees build hives and fill them with sweet, golden honey. Butterfly. Butterflies rest on leaves and flowers in the garden. Worm. Worms wiggle deep in the soft, wet soil. Spider. Spiders spin webs in corners and trees to catch bugs. Ladybird. Ladybirds hide under leaves and sit on flower petals. Snail. Snails like damp gardens and sleep inside their shells. Dragonfly. Dragonflies zip near ponds and land on tall grass. Stick insect. They live on tree branches and look just like twigs. Praying mantis. Mantis hides in bushes and waits quietly. Firefly. Fireflies blink and live in tall grass at night. Wasp. Wasps build papery nests under roofs and trees. Moth. Moths sleep on tree bark and fly at night. Tarantula. Tarantulas hide in deep holes in the ground. Cockroach. Cockroaches sneak into dark kitchen corners. Silverfish. Silverfish live in quiet, damp bathroom cracks. Tick. Ticks hide in tall grass and live on furry animals. Slug. Slugs crawl under rocks and come out in the rain. Leafcutter ant. These ants live underground and grow tiny fungus farms. Caterpillar. Caterpillars sleep under big green leaves.
Lobster. Lobsters are skilled architects that create elaborate homes called burrows or dens in the seafloor. They use their powerful claws to excavate tunnels and chambers to protect themselves from predators. Shrimp. Some species of shrimp can jump out of the water at least 7 times their body length to escape predators or travel short distances. These movements are called tail flicks. Blue tang. The blue tang is a species of fish that lives in the tropical waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans. Blue tangs are known for their vibrant blue color, which gives them their name. Bowhead whale. Bowhead whales are filter feeders and eat tiny organisms called zooplankton. They can consume up to 4 tons of zooplankton per day. Seal. Seals have a remarkable ability to sleep in water without drowning. By only partially shutting down their brains, they can enter a sleep-like state while still being aware of their surroundings to ensure their safety. Dolphin. Dolphins can stay underwater for up to 15 minutes before surfacing for air, although most dives last only a few minutes. Swan. Swans are known for their long, graceful necks and beautiful white feathers. However, not all swans are white. There are also other species of swans that are black, gray, or brown. Orca. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are not whales but amphibians. Actually, they're the largest members of the dolphin family. Octopus. Octopuses are known for their incredible strength. They can use their tentacles to overpower prey, dismantle shells, and even move objects several times their own body weight. Sperm whale. Sperm whales are social creatures and live in groups called pods. These pods consist of females and their young, while males tend to live in solitary. Walrus. Walruses have a thick layer of blubber that can be up to 4 inches thick. This helps them stay warm in the Arctic cold waters.